Web3 community management tools required for effectiveness, automation. To help keep things organized, I've laid out our cream of the crop of online community management tools using the following categories. 1. Content creation. Canva. What better way to up your community management game than with engaging, on-brand graphics? It is self-described as a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. Canva is something that should be in every community manager's toolbox. With a robust free version and a fairly priced paid version. Canva lets you create infographics, presentations, creative decks, social media posts, and all kinds of other content that's easy to share with your community. 2. Content resource hubs. Flipboard. Flipboard is an excellent tool for collecting the news relevant to not only clients, but also what's developing in the social realm of your industry. Want to get a tailored view into the top industries for your community, then create amazing content from that view? Because content is queen? Flipboard lets you pick and choose the stories that you want to follow, and get a tailored look into the industries that matter the most to you. It serves as a great resource that can keep you informed and involved in the developments going on in your field.
3. Communications plus project management plus automation, all-in-ones. Asana. Asana organizes work so teams know what to do, why it matters, and how to get it done. With useful features like timelines, boards, app integrations, calendars, progress monitoring, and more, Asana truly does have it all. Which, in having it all, also means that getting used to Asana can be a little overwhelming at first. Still, if you're managing a larger community and a larger distributed leadership team, Asana has what you need and then some. Zapier, as a platform that handles, automates, repetitive tasks and apps you use every day. Zapier is great for reclaiming and optimizing your time as a community manager. It allows us to create automated reminders and tasks for our internal community management team. We also use Zapier to alert us when a new member joins so that we can greet them right away. For scheduling plus tasks. TimePage, as a community manager, you most likely have at least 3 calendars going at any given time. There's your personal calendar, your work calendar, all the different Google calendars associated with all your different email addresses. With TimePage, you get to have all your calendars in one handy, aesthetically pleasing, easy-to-use app. Which is to say, once you've synced them all to TimePage, add an event to any of your calendars and it shows up in your TimePage calendar. Also, your events get color-coded according to which external calendar they belong to. TimePage is excellent for personal organization, which means it's also excellent in helping you optimize your time and crush your community management goals. Bitly, as a community manager, you're constantly sharing links to resources, content, and landing pages, whether yours or outside resources. With Bitly, you can share those links and reap the benefits of seeing how they actually perform. Threado.com. Threado is the command center for community builders. Activate, engage, and delight community members across Discord, Slack, Twitter, and other platforms from a single dashboard.